Introduction to NSX in VMware Cloud. In modern IT environments, networking and security need to be flexible, scalable, and secure across on-premises, hybrid, and multi-cloud architectures. This is where VMware NSX comes in. NSX is a software-defined networking, SDN, and security platform that enables businesses to manage and secure network infrastructure programmatically. In this lesson, we will explore what VMware NSX is and why it matters, how NSX works in VMware Cloud, key features and benefits, common use cases for NSX in cloud environments. What is VMware NSX? VMware NSX decouples network functions from physical hardware, allowing organizations to create virtualized networks that are agile, scalable, and secure. Instead of relying on traditional VLANs and hardware-based firewalls, NSX enables a software-defined approach to networking, integrating security and automation into the cloud environment. Businesses can create and manage virtual networks dynamically, automate networking and security policies, enable microsegmentation to protect workloads, improve scalability and multi-cloud connectivity. How does NSX work in VMware Cloud? In VMware Cloud, NSX plays a crucial role in managing networking and security. It is fully integrated into VMware Cloud on AWS, Google Cloud VMware Engine, and Azure VMware Solution, providing consistent networking across cloud and on-premises environments. Key components of NSX in VMware Cloud include one NSX-T data center, the core networking and security platform for VMware Cloud. 2 overlay networking. NSX creates logical networks that connect workloads across multiple cloud locations. 3 distributed firewall, DFW, security policies are enforced at the VM level, eliminating the need for traditional perimeter firewalls. 4 NSX edge nodes provide VPN and load balancing services for cloud workloads. 5 microsegmentation limits lateral movement of threats by isolating workloads based on security policies. Key features and benefits of NSX in VMware Cloud. VMware NSX offers several advanced networking and security capabilities. Software-defined networking, SDN, automates and abstracts networking functions from hardware, enabling greater flexibility. Microsegmentation creates security policies at the VM or container level, preventing unauthorized access. Zero Trust Security enforces strict access controls, ensuring that only authorized users and workloads communicate. Automated network provisioning allows IT teams to deploy and configure networking resources faster and more efficiently. Multi-cloud connectivity extends secure networks across AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud without reconfiguring applications. Traffic monitoring and analytics provides deep visibility into network traffic patterns for real-time threat detection and performance optimization. Common use cases for NSX in VMware Cloud. 1. Hybrid cloud networking. Extend on-premises networks into VMware Cloud without requiring complex reconfiguration. 2. Security and compliance. Enforce industry security standards such as HIPAA, PCI DSS, and GDPR across workloads. 3. Multi-cloud networking. Connect workloads across AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud using a unified networking layer. 4. Disaster recovery and business continuity. Securely replicate workloads across cloud environments for high availability. 5. Application modernization. Enable containerized workloads and Kubernetes networking with NSX-T. Final thoughts. VMware NSX transforms cloud networking and security, providing businesses with greater agility, automation, and control over their network infrastructure. By leveraging software-defined networking, microsegmentation, and automation, organizations can reduce security risks, improve performance, and streamline multi-cloud operations. Let's continue.